Welcome back. How is everybody doing? Hoping you guys have in a fabulous evening. Come on in, YouTubers, come on in. All right, this will be our 5th week of press on nails. This set of nails I chose for this week for the 5th week is a French tip, but they also have beautiful jewels on those and beautiful work art on these. All right, so these are the nails that I chose for week 5. This is the nail glue that we're going to be using today, which is the Excluvia. Strong nail glue is waterproof. It is a strong bond and it stays about, well, mine stayed about 3.5 weeks. All right, I just took these off and we're going to be doing these today. This is my remover. It's the same brand. It's a remover for the nails. I have the nail clipper if you need them. Those are the supplies you're going to need. This is the cuticle pusher that I'm going to be using to push back my cuticles, and of course our nail file. All right, so we're going to go ahead and continue with the nails. And I also have I found a base prep to go around the nails to get off the excess glue. All right, so you can get those, I mean, it's an alcohol wipe or whatever. So you can choose whatever you want to help you get off the excess glue if you need to. If you want to get a Q-tip to wipe off the excess glue, remember when you go around the cuticle, do it real fast because it will get stuck and then you got cotton around your nails. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started. These are the brand of nails I'm going to be using. They are manicured Chanel, like too much Chanel, Jesus. Salon like finish in minutes, but like polish but faster. Okay, these are designer nails, no mess, no stress. Okay, so these came from China. These I actually ordered these off of Tumu, and the glue came from TikTok shop, but I will put everything in the information box below. We're going to go ahead and get started. If you are new to my channel, I am Treva. I am the owner of this channel, and if you are a subscriber or already subscribed, keep subscribing. All right, I will be bringing more virtual variety videos to you. Of course, I'm going to be getting back into the videos. I had slacked off some because I was working more, so I couldn't really get the videos in like I wanted to with you guys, and then I got lazy, of course. But other than that, we're back now, and we are going to be consistent on the videos, all right? So let's go ahead and get started with week 5, okay? So the first thing you're going to be doing, if you are new to this channel and you want to apply your own, I'm just going to be showing you these basic steps. They're very, very easy. You can do your own nails at home if you choose to. In the beginning of week 1, if you go back, I told the story of why I chose to go to press-ons for a while, because I was going to the salon get my nails done 3 times out of a week, and little did I know they were filing my nail bed to nothing. So I wanted to just step away for a while to get my nail bed stronger and get it back strong so my nails will be better. So basically that's what I'm doing. Also, I've also stepped away from the cost, because where I live at, they are extremely costly. It is expensive, really. And the way I was getting my nails done, and when I went back and looked at my statement, y'all, it was ridiculous. I was like, oh no. I was getting my nails done 2 to 3 times out of the week, and they were costing me almost $100 each time I went. So, and depending on what kind of design you wanted or how you want your nails filed or shaped, it was even more. So I just stepped away, and I was like, oh, I'm just going to step back for right now to let my nails heal up and let some of this cost go down. Now, don't get me wrong, I can afford it, but I try to stay on budget and back away, and I'm saving money. So this is what I choose to do. You know, to each his own. If you want to go get them done, go get them done. I'm not knocking you. I went and been getting my nails done for the last 20 years now, and never let my hands rest. I will take them off, put the nails back on, never let my nail bed rest. So it just got to the point where they got weak, and it was just like when I would get my nails done, it was crazy because like maybe 4 or 5 days after I get them done, my nails will start hurting. I'm like, why is they hurting like this? I don't have them real long. What's going on? And that's what it was. When I took them off and actually looked at my nails, I was like, oh wow. It was just like they kept filing so much, and I didn't even realize how much they were doing filing. So that's the basic story of what happened to my nails. So like I said, to each his own. If you choose to go, go. If you're on a budget like me and you want to choose to do your own at home, they have a beautiful variety of all kinds of nails, short, long, whether you want stiletto nails, whether you want square, if you want swivel nails, if you want coffin nails, if you want ballerina nails, whatever, however you choose to go get your nails done, that's up to you. Like I said, I don't knock nobody from doing it because I did it for 20 years. But we're going to go ahead and get started, and let me stop rambling, y'all, because I'll keep talking forever. But let me go ahead and jump into the video. All right, so we're going to go ahead and apply our thumbnail, which will be this one. And of course, y'all, my nails are looking better and better each week. I've been taking time to actually take care of them. We're going to go ahead and apply our first coat of nail glue. Now this nail glue is so strong, and you can tell it's strong because you guys, I have to actually like stand back from the bottle because the fumes. So I know, and then when I apply this and put it on, it really sticks these nails. Okay, so it is a real good nail glue. The directions said to do the inside of the nail and do your nail as well to give it a strong bond and hold. All right, so you know my technique. We push the cuticles back. Make sure that you don't get the nail on your cuticle. So whenever you remove your nails, you don't pull off your cuticle. And also to protect your cuticle so your nails will grow properly and healthy. All right, so we're going to press at the top, press at the bottom. You know my method. And we are going to do side to side. And our nail is applied. Very, very cute, you guys. I like this. It has a beautiful gem at the top of it and 2 little rhinestones. All right, so that is the thumbnail. We got that one applied. We're going to go ahead and do our next finger, which is going to be this one. This one is really pretty, you guys. It has a gorgeous flower on it, but we'll do that one next. I'm sorry, I had that one out of place. Our first finger is going to be a plain. She's going to be plain Jane, okay? Because the rest of them have rhinestones and designs on those. So I chose to just do that one plain to stand out a little more. So we're going to go ahead and apply that nail. And you guys enjoy the music as it comes in. And that's our first finger. We're going to do at the top, do at the bottom. And like I said, we're going to take our alcohol wipe and just go around with our excess nail to get the glue off. So make sure that you guys are doing that so you don't have a white residue around your hand, okay? But when you do it, make sure you do it really, really fast because we don't want that the paper to get stuck. All right, we're going to go ahead and keep applying. The next one is going to be this finger, the middle finger. We're going to go ahead and apply the glue, of course, and then we're going to go ahead and apply our nail. Now you guys got to work with me because doing your dominant hand is always the difficult one. So we can go ahead and apply that one next. So this is our middle finger, and we're going to apply that nail. Now this one has a beautiful flower on top of it, and it has a design. And we're going to go ahead and wipe off our excess glue. And the alcohol seems to help me. Now, you choose whatever you want to with it. However you want to apply your nails, however you want to do it. You can do it however you like. Now, alcohol helps me get the excess glue off. But you choose whatever you choose, Q-tip, however you want to do it. Now, this is the next nail, and the shit is gorgeous. Y'all see that flower and those rhinestones? Super pretty. Now, we're going to go ahead and apply our ring finger, and then we're going to put our glue on top of that. Okay, and this one, it has the flowers and the rhinestones on it. This one's gorgeous as well. I just love doing my own nails, and it doesn't take hardly no time getting these on, y'all. About 5 minutes. It really don't. I just extend the video because I like talking to you guys. I like to hear your stories. And I have a couple of y'all in my inbox, and y'all have shown me how y'all applied y'all nails. I am super proud of you guys. So I'm super proud of you guys getting y'all nails. You doing them yourself. I am super surprised and super glad I can help someone else that wants to just do their own nails or do it yourself, you know, because it's simply easy. It's not hard to apply the nails at all, because you just put your glue, put your nail on, and just applying it yourself. So it's simple and very easy and very affordable. For me, it is, because the nails wasn't up but $3, the glue $6, and doing it yourself, that saved you about $70 to $80, depending how you get your nails in. Like I said, because mine's, that's how much I was paying, $70, $80. And then on top of that, after I got my nails done, I would go back and put the design on them. That's $100. I'm like, so I just, like I said, to get mine back healthy, and I chose to just stop for a while. I might go back to the salon, but right now I absolutely love these, y'all. These are gorgeous. Very, very pretty for the nail. This is the left side or left hand. It might be my right to my my left to your right, or however you want to do it, depending what angle the camera is. But this is the left hand for me. So we're gonna go ahead and do the right hand, which is this one. We're gonna go ahead and get started with the side. So we're gonna start with the thumb. Y'all, I slam my finger in it. Y'all see that red spot? This is a blood clot. I slam my thumbnail in the daggone door. You talking about somebody hollering? Oh my God. I thought I was going to have a fit with my fingers. It's getting better now. That's why I didn't do the video as soon as I wanted to, because I was trying to let it heal up a little bit, because this thing, it was really dark. It's just starting to get healed again. So it was like, child, if y'all ever had your finger slammed on something, or ever have it jammed, y'all know what I'm talking about. That hurt. I was in there, I nearly cried. It hurt so bad. But we're gonna go ahead and apply this one. So of course, like I said, do it up under your nail bed. Up under your cuticle. Lord, I can't talk. Cuticle. We're gonna smash at the top, smash at the bottom and the sides, and then we're gonna take our alcohol wipe and go around the nail, okay, to make sure we get off the excess glue. We're gonna go ahead and do our first finger. We're gonna apply the glue. Now this is my dominant hand. I have a hard time doing this one, so I'm struggling, y'all. So don't start laughing at me. Say, oh gosh, she's trying to get this nail on. No, it's my dominant hand. I have such a hard time doing things with my dominant side. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and apply this side. Make sure you get it up on your nail bed. Make sure you smashing the top, the bottom, and we got a little bit of excess glue, and we're gonna go ahead and wipe that off. Okay, now this one helps, that the alcohol wipe helps me because it gets off the residue, and it doesn't once it dries, it doesn't show. That's why I use it. I was using my cloth the last time, and it got stuck because I waited too long, and it dried really fast, and I had to get the paper from around my nail because it was stuck. The paper was stuck. I'm like, oh God. So we're going to go ahead and apply our middle finger. We're going to go ahead and apply the gel to the nail. And we're going to go ahead and apply this to our middle finger. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do that. Make sure you're putting it up under your cuticle. We're going to smash at the top, the bottom, and then the sides. And then we're going to get our excess glue off of the nail. Okay, so that's done. We're going to go ahead and do our ring finger, which is the next finger, and that's this. We're applying the glue. We're going to go ahead and apply our nail. Put our glue to the nail, of course. And then we're going to go ahead and put it on our finger, okay? And like I said, this is my dominant hand, so y'all, if I mess up, or if you mess up, don't be scared. Just work it out. Keep it going. Don't stop. All right, so we got that one on. We're going to press it down, bottom, and the sides. Hold it for a few seconds, and then we're going to get our excess glue off the nail, okay? And we're going to go ahead and apply our last nail, which is going to be the pinky. We're going to apply the glue, and then we're going to go ahead and apply it to the nail, okay? All right, so that is our last nail, you guys. I'm struggling to get this one over here. All right, so we're going to go ahead and smooth that on. All right, we're going to smash at the top, smash at the bottom, get off our excess glue. All right, and that is going to be our nail session for today, you guys. Super pretty for the nails. Absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love these. Love them. All right, we're going to go ahead and close our top, and this will conclude the live for today. I will put everything in the informational box below. I'm going to put a little bit of cuticle oil on my hands as usual, you guys, and I will snap the pictures at the end and show you how they look. These are absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in for today with our gorgeous nails, okay? And this is how they look. Very professional, very beautiful as well. And I'll put the pictures in the informational box below. And I will see you guys on week 6. Thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe if you are new. And if you are a new subscriber, if you subscribe already, keep subscribing. Thank you, you guys. Have a great evening. Bye.